Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Hello Kitty. Start by drawing a big oval as a guide for the head. To draw the oval, first make two small marks to indicate the oval's length, and then on the sides make two more small marks to indicate the oval's width. Make sure that the marks for the width are farther apart than the marks for the length. Then just connect the marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the oval. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also, pause the video to draw at your own pace. Pay attention to how much wider the width is than the length. You may find it easier to draw the oval if you turn your paper as you draw it. Inside the oval, draw a vertical line. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later on. The vertical line should split the oval into two equal parts. Near the bottom of the oval, draw a horizontal line for another construction guide. Place the horizontal line about 2/3 of the way down from the top. On the top left side of the head, draw a small triangular shape as a guide for the first ear. Now on the right side, draw another small triangular shape as a guide for the other ear. Don't make these shapes too big. Hello Kitty has small ears. Under the head, draw two long curved vertical lines for the sides of the body. These lines should be slightly shorter than the length of the head. Close the shape at the bottom using a long curved horizontal line. The bottom part of the body should be wider than the top. Draw another long horizontal line inside the body near the bottom as a guide for the feet. Now on the right side, draw a short vertical line to split the shape of the feet. On the top left side of the body, draw a small oval as a guide for the first arm. First draw two curved lines that are similar to an upside down letter U. And then close off the shape at the bottom using a shorter curved line. Draw another oval on the right side the same way as a guide for the other arm. Place the oval on the right side higher than the oval on the left side. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, on the left side, draw a small oval for the first eye. Place this eye halfway between the vertical line and the left side of the head. Place the oval directly on top of the horizontal line. On the right side, draw another small oval as a guide for the other eye. This eye should be halfway between the vertical line and the right side of the head. Sketch lightly at first, and when you get the position and shapes of the eyes right, darken the lines. Now shade the insides of the eyes. Draw a small oval for the nose under the section where the two construction lines intersect. This oval should be about the same size as the eyes, but it should be on its side. Under the ear on the right, draw a small circle for the first part of the bow. On the sides of the circle, draw two smaller circles for more of the bow. Now on the top left side of the circle, draw a curved line for the bow's ribbon. The top part of the ribbon should be above the head. Sketch lightly at first and only darken the line when you get the shape right. Now draw another curved line at the bottom for more of the bow's ribbon. The sides of the bow should be similar to each other in size and shape. Now darken the triangular shapes on top of the head to create the ears. Follow the path of the guides, but curve the lines more as you darken them. The tips of the ears should be more curved than pointy. Don't overlap the bow as you darken the ear on the right. Now darken the initial oval to finish the shape of the head. Don't overlap the bow at the top as you darken the head. On the left side of the head, draw 3 short lines for the whiskers. The whisker at the bottom should slope down a bit. On the right side, draw 3 more short lines for more whiskers. Tilt the bottom whisker downward a bit on this side too. Now darken the small oval on the left side for the first arm. Add a short curved line on the bottom right side of the shape for the thumb. Then draw a sloping line across the shape for the sleeve. Now darken the big shape in the middle for the body. At the top, draw a wide curved line for the collar. And now darken the oval on the right side for the other arm. Draw a curved vertical line across the shape for the sleeve. Use the remaining shapes at the bottom as guides to draw the feet. Follow the path of the guides as you darken the lines, but make the shapes curvier. Curve the shapes on the right side to create the tips of the feet. Now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. And don't ink the initial guidelines, only the final drawing. When the ink dries, erase all of the guidelines. Now color your drawing. Use red for the bow and the overalls. Color the nose yellow and the shirt pink. You can use any other color you'd like for the clothes, but keep the nose yellow. And that's it for Hello Kitty. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit easydrawingtutorials.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.